Hello students, today we'll see English first chapter, the raindrops meanings. Weeded, removed unwanted wild plants. Wither, to become dry and die. Drooped, to bend downwards. Harvest, to cut and collect ripe crops. Stalks, stems of plants. Errand, short trip taken to complete some work. Next, textual exercise part. Understand and answer. Check the correct answer. Farmer Seth was worried because he had a very small field. There was no one to help him. He was waiting for the rain. Correct answer is he was waiting for the rain. The wheat began to wither because it had not rained. There were too many weeds in the field. Farmer Seth had not worried, not worked hard enough. Correct answer is it had not rained. Next one. When the other raindrops saw Pete and Pat, they laughed at him, laughed at them, followed them, wanted to see what would happen. Correct answer is followed them. Now we'll see difficult words or content words of this chapter. The raindrops chapter content words we'll see. Waiting, harvest, errand, wither, weed, stalks, Seth, it's the name of the farmer, rewarded, decided, stood. Students, first you have to learn the meanings and content words, then only we have to move for the question and answers. For today this is a class. Bye-bye.